Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable review monitoring with Podium for local SEO, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable review monitoring with Podium for local SEO, first, log into your Podium account. On the dashboard, navigate to the reviews section. Here, you will find an option to set up review monitoring. Click on the Set up Review Monitoring button. You will be prompted to connect your business listing profiles. Select the platforms where your business is listed. This may include Google, Facebook, and Yelp. Once you select the platforms, Podium will guide you through the authorization process. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Podium access to your review data. After authorizing the connections, return to the Reviews section. You should now see a summary of your review sources. Next, you can customize your review notifications. Choose how you would like to be alerted whenever a new review is posted. Options typically include email or mobile notifications. Once you've selected your preferred notification method, save your settings. Now, Podium will begin monitoring your reviews in real time. This allows you to respond promptly to customer feedback. To enhance your local SEO, encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Monitor your reviews regularly for any trends or patterns. Use the insights gained to make informed business decisions. With review monitoring enabled, you can effectively manage your online reputation. This step will help you improve your local search visibility. Remember to engage with both positive and negative reviews professionally. Continuously updating your review strategy will support ongoing local SEO efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.